Hay in a needle stack, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to find the piece of hay. Setup. Lay out the board and give each player 5 band-aids. If you are playing with teams, then players on the same team use the same colored band-aids. Empty a third of the jar of needles into the middle of the board. Place the hay in the center of the pile, then dump the remaining needles on top of it. Once everyone is ready, one player says go. Players then race to find the piece of hay amongst the needles. There are no turns. All play happens simultaneously. If you prick your hand and draw blood, you must stop searching the needle stack and add a band-aid to the affected area before you can start searching again. If a player runs out of band-aids, then they are eliminated from the game and they must stop searching. If the bleeding becomes excessive, use the provided wrap and seek medical attention immediately. However, by doing so, you will be eliminated from the game even if you had some band-aids remaining. While you are searching for the hay, you are not allowed to use gloves, and you may not pick up or remove needles from the needle stack or game board. You may only push and pull needles with your fingers. You may not grab them. You are allowed to try and distract your opponent by yelling at them or moving your body, but you may not touch another player or block their line of sight to the needle stack. The first player or team to find the piece of hay and pick it up wins. If all the players get eliminated before the needle is found, then nobody wins and a tiebreaker round commences. Give each player 5 more band-aids and continue playing. Once you have mastered the basic way to play, consider using these advanced rules. The rules are the same as before, except this time, when the player says go, turn off the lights. Thank you all for checking out this April Fool's video. I'm sorry to disappoint you, but this game does not actually exist. However, the box it would have come in does, along with a whole variety of other hilarious gag gift boxes made by Pranko. Check them out at the link in the description.